a thunderstorm warning for Hancock County, northeastern Hendricks County, Marion County, west central Henry County, southeastern Boone County, southern Hamilton County, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
You okay, Mayo?
5:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Carmel to near Brownsburg, moving southeast
Finally,
at 55
something
miles per
interesting.
hour. The storm has a history of producing 55 miles per hour winds. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs. Entries. Location impacted include Indianapolis, Carmel, Fishers, Noblesville, Lawrence, Brownsburg, Greenfield, Beach Grove, Zionsville, Speedway, Westfield, Cumberland, McCordsville, Fortville, Pittsboro, New Palestine, Meridian Hills, Warren Park, Claremont, and Shirley. This includes the following highways. Interstate 65 between mile markers 104 and 130. Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 213. Interstate 70 between mile markers 75 and 117. Interstate 74 between mile markers 59 and 100. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone,